Here's a quick set of instructions on how to complete this homework. If you're not doing it in notation software, you can just do it with a pencil on a piece of paper. You're being given this basic score. So the first thing you want to do is analyze all the chords. So you do that with Roman numerals, of course. And so this is the 1 chord, and this is the 6 minor chord, and so on. And you go through and you analyze all the chords, right? Then you do your voice leading. As we've spoken about, voice leading often has more than one solution of how to get to the next chord. You could do this or you could do that, right? Either of those is correct, but that would not be correct, right? Because it's a single voice is jumping more than a third. So we never want a single voice to jump more than a third. But let's just say we're starting like this, and then you carry on from there. And if you can, you keep common tones in the same voice. And when you can't keep a common tone in the same voice, then you move by a step or by a third if needed. And you just go on from there. So that's the next thing. You complete the voice leading. Then I would recommend that you do the bass. So you figure out what is the pattern of the bass. Well, we can see that the pattern is root, the root of the bass, the octave root, an octave higher, and then the fifth in this rhythm. 1, 2, and 4, da, da, da. So you keep that same rhythm, right? And you just assign the notes to the root octave and fifth of the next chord. So if I have this, I go here and I say, okay, I need the root of an A chord. It's no longer an E chord, so I need my first note to be an A. And so I move to the note A, and then I make sure that this is my octave A, and this is the fifth of my A chord. And then I carry on from there to complete it. And then finally, I rewrite this drum groove. I keep rewriting it. The drummer would actually be playing this. However, we would not have to rewrite it every time. What we would do is once we have it written out on the first measure of each line, on the remaining measures, we could use something called a single 1-bar repeat symbol. Here it is. It looks like that. Okay? But then you would have to write it out again there, and then you would do the 1-bar repeat thing there. All right? And then by doing this, you would complete the assignment. On from there, right? And then when you've done that one, come over here and do this one. Same idea.